Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Lakshmi Sri Bhargava. I am studying Diploma in Civil Engineering and Digital Manufacturing, fourth semester at NTTF Gannavaram Training Center. Today, I am here to present my short talk. My short talk name is Laser Beam Machining. Laser beam machining definition, working principle, types of lasers, parts of laser, application, advantages and disadvantages, and video. What is a laser? Definition of laser: light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Machining process of laser beam machining. Laser beam machining is a non-conventional separative machining process using the thermal energy of the laser beam. During the machining process, a high energy laser beam falls on the workpiece surface and removes the workpiece material by heating, melting, and vaporizing. Laser beam machining is the best suited for brittle materials with low conductivity, but can be used for the most materials. Laser beam machining can be done on glasses without melting the surface. The most commonly used solid state laser is ruby laser. Types of lasers: solid, liquid, gas, semiconductors. Parts of laser: reflected end, flash lamp, ruby crystal, partly reflected end, laser beams, lens, workpiece. Partly reflected end. It is used for non-reflected the light rays. Ruby crystal. It passes the light rays to the partly reflected end through the lens. The lenses are used to collect the rays at single point to remove the material. Application of laser beam machining: welding, cladding, marking, surface treatment, drilling, automobiles, shipbuilding, aerospace, steel, electronics, etc. Advantages of laser beam machining: there is no direct contact between workpiece and tool. Due to this reason, there is no tool wear. Complex shapes can be machined. High precision and most of these processes are done do not require additional finishing. Very small diameter holes can be machined up to 0.005 mm. It is suitable for both conductive and non-conductive materials. Disadvantages of laser beam machining: it requires lot of energy for machining, very low rate of material removal, the lifespan of lamp is very short. I will show you one video about laser beam machining. In this video, we can learn about how to laser should be cut. Just we have learned in this video about laser beam cutting operation. I hope you understand about laser beam machining process. Thank you.